Did you know that coconut is not allowed in airplanes? Coconut is not allowed on airplanes. Dry coconuts are not considered safe to be carried in baggages. If you frequently travel by air, you likely know the items that can't be packed in the cabin and check-in baggage. Being aware helps you pack confidently and prevents last-minute panic, hassle, or the risk of leaving prohibited items at the airport, or worse, missing your flight due to delays. One interesting food item people might consider harmless to carry in their cabin baggage is dry coconut, often part of temple prasad. However, you'll have to leave the copra or dried white flesh inside the coconut or dry coconut at the airport if you carry it in your hand baggage. Wondering why? Pause. 2S, because coconuts cannot be carried in hand baggage. Dry coconut is a highly flammable object, hence carrying it in check-in luggage is not permitted. Dry coconut is not permitted in either hand baggage or checked baggage. Dry coconut contains a high amount of oil that is highly flammable. It can cause a fire if it encounters heat inside the aircraft. It's best to avoid carrying coconut on flights altogether, but if you must, coconut is only permitted for carriage in checked-in baggage if cut into small pieces. Dry coconut or copra is not permitted in either cabin or checked-in baggage. According to the Independent International Air Transport Association, Dangerous Goods Register categorizes coconut meat as a Class 4 risk in cargo. Dried coconut is marked as a flammable solid liable to spontaneous combustion that could emit flammable gases when in contact with water. Copra dust may be ignited by a single spark, and the fruit's fat decomposition can also lead to a risk of self-heating, says the IATA. However, traveling by air with retail packaged coconut products is permitted. Leave your comments below. Also, like our videos for more of this educational content. Thank you.